Python in April 2026 is moving so fast it's giving developers whiplash. Today we're killing JavaScript. This is Reflex 1.0, formerly Pynecone. Now a stable beast that lets you build full-stack React apps using exactly 0 lines of CSS or JavaScript. To start, we're using UV. If you're still using pip, I hope you enjoy your retirement home. Make directory the JS killer, then UV init. Now UV add reflex. It's written in Rust, so it finishes before you can even regret your life choices. Open the folder in VS Code and let's cook. Run UV run reflex init. Pick the blank template because we ain't cowards. Then UV run reflex run. Out of the box, it points you to the docs. That's boring. We're here to build, not read. Let's gut the boilerplate and drop in a state class. We define our logic in pure Python. A simple counter with an increment and decrement function. No useState hooks, no redux, no brain damage. The UI is just a stack of components. Rx.vstack, a heading and 2 buttons. It looks like React, it feels like React, but it smells like victory. Save the file. The hot reload kicks in faster than a junior dev deleting production database records. Look at that, a fully reactive web app running on fast API and Next.js. You didn't have to touch a single curly brace or a semicolon. Reflex 1.0 is stable, it's fast, and it's the final nail in the coffin for the JavaScript fatigue era. The verdict? Must install. This has been Zero Level. Subscribe for more killer Python content, and leave a comment on what we should do next.